Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm going to be getting rid of my limited edition red Nintendo Switch. Got it in the box here. I got the case underneath here. Got the power brick. The only thing is I couldn't find the straps. The blue straps. I don't know where I put them. I checked my other case that I have, my other Switch case, and it was not there. But yeah, there's some things that I need to get, and I need money. So unfortunately I'm going to have to part with this Switch. I still have my Switch OLED that I got. I have my other first generation Switch, and I also have a case that I plan on parting with along with this Switch. I don't remember if I unboxed this on the channel or not, but it's a Mario case. And it also comes with another Switch case. This will not fit my OLED. This is meant for the regular Switch. And I'm probably also going to be getting rid of my Mario Karts for Live Home Circuit. I might also eventually get rid of my Switch Lite. I don't know yet. My Mario Karts are kind of buried at the moment, and I gotta find all the gates and everything. Yeah, kind of sucks, but I need the money. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a good one.